Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Hello students, my name is Sanjay Jain. We are doing the chapter of statistics. Till now we have discussed about one measure of central tendency, that is mean, and we discussed about three methods to calculate the mean. Now in this lecture we will focus our attention on calculating another measure of central tendency, that is mode, right. So from your knowledge of class 9th, you know that the mode is the data with maximum frequency, right, something that appears maximum number of times. That was true in case of ungrouped data, but now in this chapter we will calculate mode of grouped data, right. So by looking at the frequencies, we just cannot tell about what is the mode, right, because we will have classes in group distribution, right. So we can tell about the class having the maximum frequency, and that class will be known as modal class. So the modal class is the class with maximum frequency. Okay, and we will have a formula for calculating the mode of grouped data, and that formula is like this. So mode will be equal to L plus f minus f1 divided by 2f minus f1 minus f2 into h. Now these symbols or these letters have a meaning. L is the lower limit of the modal class. Let us say the class having maximum frequency is 20 to 35, let us say. So this will be our L, right, lower limit of the modal class, and F is the frequency of modal class, which obviously is the maximum frequency, right. F1 is the frequency of class preceding the modal class, and F2 is the frequency of class succeeding the modal class. Right, then and you don't have any other shortcut, you just have to memorize this formula. You will have to memorize this formula, right. These symbols might be different in different books, but the formula is this, that L, that is lower limit of the modal class, plus frequency of modal class minus frequency of the class preceding the modal class divided by twice of frequency of modal class minus frequency of the class preceding the modal class minus frequency of the class succeeding the modal class, and into h. What is h? H is the class size or class length. Class size or length. Now what is class size? In this case it is 15, right, upper limit minus the lower limit, that is the class size, right. In this case it is 15, and in general I have taken it as h. So this is the formula that you need to memorize before proceeding ahead, right. So let us proceed with some of the examples where we will understand about mode in detail.